Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be talking about Snap-on tools that are made in Canada. Thanks for joining me. There's been a lot of talk about Canada in the news lately, mostly because of the impending trade war between the US and Canada. But I thought today I would talk about Snap-on tools that were made in Canada. Now, yes, they did make both tools and toolboxes in Canada. Not sure exactly the year or the date that they started doing that. According to Snap-on's website, they expanded internationally in the 1920s, and international orders were filled through an export office in New York City. And then with the demand in Canada for Snap-on tools, they opened a branch in Montreal in 1927. And then Snap-on Tools of Canada was incorporated in 1931. Now, that does not say anything about the manufacturing, so I don't have information, and that's really kind of hard to find online. I have searched all kinds of things to see when they were made in Canada, and not really finding that. However, I did find a news article, and it was dated January 25th of 2011, and that was about Snap-on Tools closing a manufacturing facility, and they made the toolboxes there. And so it said that they had about 116 employees that they were letting go and consolidating manufacturing to the toolbox facility in Algona, Iowa. Also in that article, it did say that Snap-on Tools has production plants throughout the United States and Canada, employing more than 3,000 people worldwide. Again, I'm not sure where all those manufacturing facilities were and when they were making those in Canada. However, I do have quite a few combination wrenches, some Snap-on and made in Canada. I've got quite a few of these here. I do have a lot of different tools. I've got Thorson, I've got Craftsman. Absolutely love my Snap-ons, though. They are my favorites, especially the anniversary edition Snap-ons. I know some people are like, oh, you're just paying more for, whatever. And it's like, yeah, but they're good quality, they're heavy, they're nicely weighted. The manufacturing on them, the quality is just there. So this is a 3/4 inch Snap-on combination wrench, made in Canada, and again, just nice, heavy duty. Here's an 11/16, and then I also have, this is a 5/8, and this is a 9/16, and then I have a 7/16. I have another 7/16. You can never have enough of those. And I also have a 5/16. And these are just the Canada-made ones. So I do have sockets, I do have ratchets. Mostly my sockets are going to be Craftsman, but I do have Snap-on ratchets, and I do absolutely love those. They're smooth, they're solid, they're very heavy duty. And most of them that I have are the 100th anniversary edition, and so I do like the little logo that they have on those tools. Now, I really don't have much else as far as the Canadian tools, but these are my Snap-on Canadian tools, and I do love the Snap-ons. But that's all I have. So it's going to be a short video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time. I'm also going to have a little Canadian beer.